It is approximately 5:07 p.m. and the sun is setting and everybody's just out just enjoying. It's nice and cool. There's a beautiful breeze. You have your restaurants across the street. Ice cream truck is over there. You got the coconut man. He's selling fresh coconut water over there. So we're headed to the Bay Beach restaurant for dinner. Right here. It's funny because these, I don't know what street this is we're on. What's this street?
I don't know. Do they have street names? I'm sure they do.
I don't think so, but we got the light. Bay Beach restaurant.
He didn't stop for the light.
Daruchi Forest? Daruchi Forest.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Beautiful.
Yeah. Yesterday we went by this road. Remember? Yeah.
Did I film it? Daruchi Forest. It is a forest. That's what it is.
That's in both sides. There are many people who say superstitious things.
About here?
Yeah, about here.
Like what?
Ghost, you know.
Ghost?
People say, I have never seen.
So it's supposed to be haunted.
Haunted, exactly. Haunted place.
Ah.
In the night especially.
Wow. Another natural wonder of Mauritius. They look like books, yeah. Paper trees. Paper trees. Oh yeah, come on. We gotta keep going. It's gonna rain. Oh, look at that stream. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Wow. It's so clear. Fresh water. Natural spring water.
Mountain water. Look at that, from the paper tree. Wow.
Paper from the paper tree. In there?
Yeah, because many people. Look at it.
Wow.
So you got picture drone, you can fly your drone down there? Look at that waterfall, man. Straight ahead. Oh.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for us. way back from our journey from today. 2 lanes. One going one way, other lane going back.